Hey there, it's bright out here. Dan, the culinary libertarian here, getting ready to start the gardening stuff, and I have, not new to me, but new here in Oregon, a system called EarthBox, which I'm going to try to show you here. It's going to be go for a little ride. So the box itself is this thing, which is no big deal, but the cool thing, several cool things, are one, it has under here, that's a drainage system. So how the EarthBox system works is there's this box on top of, well, inside the box at the bottom goes a plastic grate. Let's go for a little bit of a walk, try to get out of the sun. So here's all the junk. So that's not it. So this grate, just grate, goes in the bottom, and you can see that it has some, cut out there, but interestingly, the hole is for a pipe like this one that's going to stand up outside of the edge of the box, and that's how you water it. So the water goes in the very bottom. This grate goes on top of the supports, and then you put in the dirt, which is in those white bags back there, and it comes with, spinning around, going crazy, fertilizer. And you put a bag down, you put the fertilizer in, put the other bag on top, moisten it, and then fill the bottom with water. And it comes also, this is the part that's really cool, makes the weeding non-existent. It comes with a, well, basically a big funky looking shower cap that fits over the whole top of this. Then you poke some holes in there where the plant's going to live, and the plants are these guys right here. Hi, plants. So we have green beans, 3 kinds of tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, and then somewhere I have some sunflower seeds starting so that my wife can have pretty sunflowers, because she likes them, and, well, they're sunflowers, so what the heck. Also some marjoram and some chervil, and I have so many seeds. Okra. How could I forget the okra? What a nut. So the EarthBox system is great because it doesn't have any weeding problem. You fill up the water, and that hole I showed you, when the water is sufficient, it runs out the hole. That way you can't overwater your plants. And it also comes with a staking system, which is kind of different, but it's designed to put up kind of like a rope trellis for tomatoes or beans. And I'm gonna try that for my tomatoes, because I got lots of tomatoes. And so somewhere out here, I'm going to set that up. The hummingbirds are enjoying their feeder. I don't know what kind it is, but it's pretty. And we discovered last year the many hummingbirds that feed at this one feeder are extremely aggressive. I've seen videos where someone has his hand out and a dozen hummingbirds are there just hanging out, having fun eating. Not these hummingbirds. One of them had the other one on the ground, standing on it, kind of pecking at it, as if to say, this is my feeder, get ye away. So they ain't the cute things you think they are, at least not these guys. They're kind of mean. They're fun to watch, but they ain't nice. So anyway, this is all my garden junk, and I'm getting ready to do that. You can see it's a gorgeous day. Snowed a little bit yesterday morning, but that was quickly gone. So information about EarthBox is going to be at culinarylibertarian.com/garden, and I'm going to keep sort of a running page on my, well, we'll see how it goes. I hope successes. So there'll be some boo-boos. Out in the herb garden, I've got some garlics planting, which are coming up, and I hope that that's something to keep the deer away, because we have those here. In the backyard I have fence, which I hope is enough fence for them not to go jumping over. So we'll see. But anyway, it's May Day today, so get your garden on and let's see what we grow.